I want to take just a moment and go through the syllabus and just point out a few things on the syllabus. The first is my contact information. Right at the beginning, you will find my cell phone number. This, if you will send me a text message whenever you have questions, this is really helpful. A lot of my students will take a picture of the problem that they are working on or send me a message that has the question that they have. And whenever I have a break or have time, then I can write you a note or just type you a message back. And that's usually the quickest way for me to get help to you. And so that's just a really easy way to do it. Another way is by my email address. I am available for Zoom appointments, or if you like to do FaceTime or even just a phone call on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And so please take advantage of this opportunity. It really is, I cannot encourage you enough. You're not bothering me, and it is something that I love to do. I love to help my students, and it is the easiest way for you to get help in this course. So just please make sure that you take advantage of that opportunity. Just set an appointment time, and I will be more than happy to walk you through and help you through some of the coursework. So you will find the course description here. In these types of math classes, you will find that there will be a lot of logic and problem solving. So you will find that there will be a lot of practical application in this class. And so I think that hopefully you will find that to be where you can apply it some more to everyday life. But logic is just helping you to think logically. And so I try to find practical ways to apply it to ministry whenever I have the opportunity to do that as well. And so these are the learning outcomes, inductive and deductive reasoning, math concepts that are used in contemporary situations, and we talk about the real number line. Now, the biggest difference in this syllabus, this is a different syllabus than the original one that was published with the course schedules that were first put out. And this is the difference is in this section right here with the textbook. So this is the first time that we are teaching this course in the Canvas shell. Typically, in the past, we've taught this in Blackboard, and when we taught it in Blackboard, we had to teach this course completely separate using WebAssign. And so now, though, in Canvas, we have the ability to actually link the course together through Canvas. So it's going to be a lot better for you. So that's the good news. And so the bad news is that we have to kind of work out some kinks. And so the first kink was trying to get everything set up correctly. So that's what we're doing this summer is getting everything set up. And so it's just kind of getting some hiccups worked out. So this was the first thing. So you probably, if you saw the syllabus ahead of time, you saw some language in here that talked about a course key code, and you no longer need that course key code. So you will be able to access all of your course, the course problems and the textbook, all of your homework problems and everything from Canvas. And so you will go and you will just log into Canvas. You will complete your homework. It will take you straight to WebAssign, and you will do your homework, and it will link it right back to your gradebook that is in Canvas. It's going to supposedly be very seamless. Now, if we run into problems, we'll take care of it as we run into that. So hopefully they're not going to have any problems. So, but once you get access into the course, which will be at the beginning of the summer term. Then you will be directed to Cengage to set up your account if you haven't already done so. And then you will purchase your textbook online, all of those different things. Cengage will walk you straight through all of that. There is a video if you'd like to see how all of that's going to look. So this is a video link, and you can take a look at that. But it should be pretty easy. So if you have any problems or questions with that, feel free to reach out to me. But again, all of that will not open up until the course actually begins. So you can read all of this stuff now, but until the course begins, the summer term actually begins, none of that stuff will actually open up. All right, so the course requirements, homework is weighted at 30%. Then there are 2 tests, which are 15% each, so a total of 30%. There's a midterm exam and a final exam, both of those being 20%. So the final exam is not cumulative. It will be, it will just cover the from the midterm on. And so here is your course outline. So this is what you can expect for each week. All of your assignments are due the Saturday night at 11:59 p.m. And it is a lot of work. I will go ahead and tell you, just be prepared. Do not wait to the last minute to do your work. I would strongly suggest that you spread this work out throughout the week. If you try to do it all in one day, it is going to be very, very difficult. So try to spread it out as much as you can. So each of these homework assignments represents a different section. And then if it is red, that is a test. So on these sections, the black sections, you actually have 5 attempts at each problem. So if you get the question wrong, then you can try again up to 5 times. So that's just worked in there to try to help you out. If it is red, then that's a test, and I have given you 2 tries at every answer for a test question. So please make sure you take every opportunity for those. Okay, and then there is late. I do accept late work. It is penalized at 1 point per day that it is late. If you have some type of extreme situation going on, or some type of ministry situation going on, please just email me, give me a call, send me a message or something to let me know, keep me updated of what's going on, and I will see what I can do. So I look forward to working with you this summer. If you have any questions or concerns, anything that I can do to help you, if you have anything that I can pray for you about, please reach out to me, and I would love to get to know you. Thanks so much, and I'm looking forward to a great summer.